in the region in the past year, according to the Fargo police.
Opiates are addictive, dangerous, and destroying lives. KVRR's Adam Ledwig found out what local leaders say needs to be done to fight them in our lead story.
This isn't a problem that any one group can solve. That's why Senator Heidi Heitkamp brought together law enforcement, medical, and education experts to help create a united front against opiate addiction. It's a problem so severe, parents are pleading with local leaders.
Please keep my son or daughter in jail.
Hoping to see their children alive behind bars instead of risking death on the streets.
Literally, one mistake will kill you.
Overdose deaths in North Dakota spiked 125% from 2013 to 2014, according to the CDC. But police admit they can't solve the drug epidemic with handcuffs.
This is something that needs to be addressed throughout a person's life, and it has to be addressed throughout the community.
One of the main takeaways from a panel discussion on opiates is that recovery takes more than a 4-week stint in rehab. It takes a team.
Counselors and mentors, employment, housing.
It takes people going public with their struggle. That's what Nikki Anderson is doing. She fought through tears, sharing the story of her son Luke, who died of a fentanyl overdose in March.
I wish I had spoken out earlier. I wish I could have been able to just access the help that I felt I needed at that time, that we needed.
Senator Heitkamp says people are dying, so we don't have time to sit around and come up with a plan to battle opiate addiction. She says we need action now.
We don't have the luxury of waiting.
Fargo schools are assigning staff members to develop plans to deter students from using drugs. West Fargo students spoke up when it was discovered fentanyl made its way into local schools.
To let them know of the problem that existed and helped locate the individuals that were bringing the poison into their school.
It's a constant struggle, and drugs remain in our community. But members of this coalition say they're confident they can bring change to the region and kick opiates out. Local health professionals say they're working on bringing more medications to the area to combat opiates, including Vivitrol, which they claim doubles the chance someone can avoid relapsing. There are also discussions to potentially bring in a long-term rehab facility to the region. Adam Ledwig, KVRR Local News.
Adam, thanks. New